Form 1098 is the mortgage interest statement. The lender reports how much mortgage interest a borrower paid during the year. If you're issuing one or just want to understand the copy you received, here's how it's filled out. Start with the recipient, the lender's name and address, in the top box. Then the payer or borrower, their name, address, and taxpayer identification number. Box 1 is the headline figure, the mortgage interest received from the borrower during the year. Other boxes cover points, refunds, and property taxes. The lender sends copy B to the borrower and files copy A with the IRS. Click Done to download. Fill yours out free at FormsPal.